In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Ultra Bullet Chess on chess.com. This exciting and fast-paced variant of chess is perfect for those who love a challenge and have quick reflexes. Ultra Bullet Chess games last for mere seconds, giving each player a very short amount of time to make their moves. If you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to chess.com. It's a popular and free platform where you can enjoy playing chess online with people from all around the world. Once you arrive at the website, you'll see a login option in the top left corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, you can proceed to enter your username and password into the designated fields. For those of you who prefer using your Google, Apple or Facebook accounts, there's an easy option to log in via one of those platforms as well. After you're logged in, navigate to the play section on the site. You'll find this option prominently displayed, ready for you to click and begin your chess journey. Now, in the play area, you'll need to look for the button that features a bullet icon along with time settings. This is where you'll set up your Ultra Bullet game. Once you've located the bullet icon, it's time to adjust the time controls. You'll want to click on more time controls to customize your game settings. For Ultra Bullet Chess, type the number 0 in the minutes field and then type 10 in the seconds field. This setting ensures that each player only has 10 seconds in total for their entire game, enhancing the fast-paced nature of Ultra Bullet Chess. With your time controls set, there's just one more thing to do before you leap into the game. Click on the right arrow. This will save your time settings and confirm your Ultra Bullet setup. Now all that's left is to hit the play button. By doing this, you'll be matched with another player looking to test their skills and speed in an exhilarating game of Ultra Bullet Chess. And there you have it, you're all set to immerse yourself in one of the most rapid and thrilling chess variants out there. Ultra Bullet is a great way to improve your speed and agility in decision making on the board. Remember, each second counts, so stay focused and play strategically. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy the electrifying experience of Ultra Bullet Chess on chess.com.